Welcome to the last deal for Freebuary. We only have a little longer in the month and then these deals will disappear. Today we have an excellent add-on to an already awesome deal, and you guessed it, we're adding it on for free. Do you know how clean your air is? Even if you keep a clean home, what's in your air may shock you. It's not on your surfaces or under your bed, it's in your ductwork. Dust and allergens could be circulating through your air unseen, affecting the health of you and your family, but we can help. With a whole home duct cleaning, you can breathe a breath of fresh air and know for sure your indoor air is as clean as it can be. And during Freebuary, if you get a duct cleaning from Peterman, we'll also include a dryer vent cleaning completely free. Add extra security to your home entirely free for the rest of February. Call, text, or message us to schedule your whole home duct cleaning and free dryer vent cleaning today.